You are going to love the 2021 Kona EV. The Hyundai Kona EV offers a wide variety of safety and driver assistance features. However, the driving range and the charging capabilities are what really make this electric vehicle stand out, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.